Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1, knowing our numbers. In this chapter, we are going to discuss estimation, or you can say rounding up. Estimation is very useful in our daily lives. Every day we hear statement like 2500 people enjoy a Salman movie in a theater. 67,000 people watched Sachin Tendulkar's 100th century in the stadium, or 13 million people, you can say 13 million passengers cover 60,000 distance of railway track every day. In fact, no one counts the exact number of people for the particular events. The numbers are estimate gives the ideas of the exact of numbers of people present in the event. The exact count may be slightly more or less than the estimate. Usually we estimate the numbers to the nearest tens, hundred, thousands and so on. The estimation of a number is also known as rounding of numbers. So now we are going to discuss rounding of nearest to the 10. Rounding of a number nearest to the tens. In these numbers we follow following procedures. First, for rounding off of two numbers, the nearest tens, first to look or observe the digit at ones place. Okay, if one place digit is less than 5, then you replace ones place digit by 0. If the ones place digit is less than 5, then we replace the ones plus digit by 0. And second step, if the digit at ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then replace ones place digit by 0 and increase the tens place digit by 1. Okay, now the example related to nearest one place digit is here. You can see the rounding of each of the following numbers to nearest they are tens. Okay, the question number 1 is here, rounding of each of the following numbers to their nearest tens. Okay, so first number is 68. So we write here the given numbers is, what is the given number? What you write, the given number is 68. Okay, we need to round off it at their nearest tens place. So for nearest rounding off our tens place, we check the ones place digit. If the ones place digit is less than 5, then we replace ones plus digit by 0. If the ones place digit is greater than 5 or greater than 5, then we also replace the ones plus digit by 0 and increase tens place by 1. Here, so here you can see ones plus digit is 8 and 8 is greater than 5. Okay, 8 is the greater than 5. It means that we replace ones place digit by 0 and increase 1 at 10 place digits. Okay, increase the tens digit by 1. So we can say the rounding up number to the nearest tens. Right here, the rounding of to the rounding off the rounding off number, rounding off number to the nearest tens, to the nearest tens is equal to, here you can see the unit digit is greater than 5, so it becomes 0. We replace unit digit by 0 and increase the tens digit by 1. If you here tens digit is 6, if you increase by 1 this digit, it means that we plus 1 in tens digit. 10 digit is 6, so 6 plus 1, this is equal to 70. So here we have the rounding up 68. If you rounding up 68, then you have 70. Okay, the rounding up the numbers to the nearest tens is 70. Okay, now the second part is 373. So for this, first you write the given number is here. In second part, you can write here the given number. The given number. What is the given number? The given number is 373. We need to round off it at tens place. For tens place, we check ones place digit. If ones place digit is less than 0, okay. If ones place digit is less than 0, then we replace ones plus digit by 0 and keep all other digits of the number as they are. Okay, so here we observe that the ones place digit is 3, ones place digit is 3 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5, so we replace ones place digit by 0 and keep all other of the number as they are. Okay, so what is the rounding of this number? Rounding of number to their nearest tens is equal to, you can see here the rounding of number, the rounding of number to the nearest tens, to the nearest tens this is equal to, here you can see the unit digit is less than 5, so it becomes 0, and the others numbers other digit of this number as they are. Okay, so this is equal to 370. Okay, so if you are rounding up 373, then you obtain 370. Next question here, 5600, 5605. So we need to rounding up at tens place. For tens place, so we check its ones place digit. The ones place digit is 5. So if the ones place digit is 5 or greater than 5, then we replace the ones place digit by 0 and increase by 1 at the tens place digit. Okay, increase the tens place digit by 1 and replace ones place digit by 0 if the unit place digit is 5 or greater than 5. So for this you can write it. The given number is here. You can see. You can write here the given number. This is third part. First write the given number is 5605. Okay, we need to find a rounding of the 5605 to the nearest tens places. Okay, so for this, first we observe the unit place digit. Okay, when the case is rounding up 10 place digit, so we observe ones place digit. If the ones plus digit is less than 5, then we replace the ones plus digit by 0 and keep all other digit of the number, keep all other digit of the number as they are. Okay, but if the ones place digit is 5 or greater than 5, then again we replace the ones place digit by 0 and increase the tens digit by 1. Okay, and so here you can see, and here we can write the rounding of number to the nearest tens this is equal to, here and the ones place digit is 5, so we replace it 0 and increase tens digit by 1. So if we plus 1 here, this is 0, 0 plus 1, this is equal to 1, and other digit of the number you write as it is. So this becomes 5610. If you rounding off the 5605 at their nearest tens place, then this is equal to 5610. Okay, now the next part of this question is 93,965. This is the fourth part of this question. 93,695. We need to round up of the given number to the their nearest tens place. For tens place, we check unit place digit. So here you can see unit place digit is 5. 5 is when unit place digit is 5, then we replace ones place digit by 0 and increase 10 plus digit by 1. Okay, so if you find the round up of this number, we can write it direct. A rounding of 93,965 to their nearest tens, then it's become 93,970. Okay, because you can see here the ones place digit is 5, so we replace one place digit by 0 and increase tens digit by 1. So 10 digit is 6, so when 6 plus 1, this is equal to 7. So in this way you can see the rounding of 93,965 is equal to 93,970. Okay, so this is the rounding of a number to their tens digit. Now we are going to discuss rounding of a number to the nearest 100. So let's see how to do it. This is second question. Rounding of each of the following numbers to their nearest 100 digits. Okay, so how you find the rounding of at the 100 and their nearest 100 digits? For this we follow following procedures. Rounding of a numbers to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so first we look at the digit at 10 place in the given numbers. Okay, first we look the 10 place digit in the given number. If the 10 place digit is less than 5, then we replace 10 place digit and ones place digit by 0 and keep all other digits of the number as they are. Okay, now second steps, if if the digit at 10 place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the 100 place digit by 1 and replace tens place digit and ones place digit by 0. Okay, so this is a step. If you follow it, then you round up the 100 nearest digits. Okay, we round up of numbers to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so let's see how to find these numbers. Okay, in these numbers first is given 8532. Okay, so in solution first you write here solution. Okay, first number, given number is first as a given number, and given number we need to find, and the given number is 8532. We need to find here the rounding of this number to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so for hundred place we check tens place. If tens place digit is less than 5, the tens place digit and ones place digit becomes 0, are replaced by 0, and keep all other digit of the number as they are. Okay, so here you can see for rounding of 100 place digit we check the tens place digit. Tens place digit is here 3. Okay, and 3 is less than 5. It means that we replace tens place digit and 1 plus digit by 0. Okay, then we obtain if we the rounding of these numbers. Okay, if you replace tens place digit is 0, ones place 0, and keep all other digit of the number as it is, so it's become 8500. Okay, so it's become 8500, 8532. If you round off it to their nearest 100, then it's become 8500. So now we write it the rounded off number to the nearest 100 is 8500. So okay, so here we write it and the rounded of a number to the nearest 100 is equal to 8500, because we want to round it at 100 place, but for this we check tens place. If tens place is less than 5, then we replace ones place digit and tens place digit by 0, and keep all other digit of the number as it is. Okay, so here it's become 8500. Okay, now the second part of this question is the given number of is 23,577. This is number is given, and we need to round off it to their 100 place. Okay, so for 100 place we check tens place. So what is the tens place? You can see here, this is ones place, this is tens place. It means that here you can see a tens place digit and ones place digit both are 7. So we only check tens place digit. Tens place digit is 7 here, you can see. If the tens place digit is greater than 0, then the 100 place digit increases by 1, and tens place digit and ones place digit replaced by 0. If the tens place digit is less than 5, okay, then the ones place digit and tens place digit replaced by 0, and keep all other digits of the number as they are. But here the tens place digit is greater than 5, so the 100 place digit increases by 1. It means that we add 1 to 100 place digit, it will become 6. Clear? And tens place and ones place digit replaced by 0. So let's see how to write it. The rounded of a number. You can write here the rounded of a number to the nearest 100. This is equal to 23,000. It becomes 6. 23,600. Okay, clear? Student, I hope all of you understood how to round off a number at their 100 place digit. And this is third part, 66,056. Okay. So we need to round off this number to their 100 place. So for 100 place we check the ones place digit, tens place digit. Here you can see tens place digit is 5. So it means that the tens place digit and ones place digit replaced by 0, and the 100 place digit increase 100 place digit by 1. So 0 plus 1, this is equal to 1. So we obtain 66,100. Okay, so let's see. And given number is given number is 66,056. Okay, so we need to find the round off of this number to their nearest 100. For nearest 100 we check their tens place digit. Here you can see tens place digit is 5. According to the rules, if the digit at 10 place is less than 5, they replace each of the digit at 10 place and ones place by 0, and keep all other digits of the number as they are. Okay, but here you can see the next step is, if the digit at the 10th place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the digit at 100 place by 1 and replace each of the digit at ones place and 10th place by 0. Okay, so this is 5. It means that we replace 10th place digit and 1st place digit by 0 and increase the 100 plus place digit by 1. Okay, so we write here the rounded up a number, the rounded up number to the nearest 100, to the nearest 100. This is equal to 66,100, because the tens place digit is 5. Okay, now, so student, I hope all of you understood how to convert, how to rounding off the number a number to their 100 place digit. Now we are going to discuss how to find rounding off a number to their 1000 place digit. So let's see. Now for rounding off a number to the nearest 1000, we follow following steps. For this, first we observe at the digit at 100 place in the given numbers. If the digit at 100 place is less than 5, then I'll replace each of the digit at 100 place, tens place and ones place by 0. Keep all other numbers of digit of the numbers. Keep all other digit of the numbers as they are. Okay. Now, if the digit at 100 place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the digit at 1000 place by 1 and replace each of the digit at 100 place, tens place and ones place by 0. Then we obtain the rounding of a number to their nearest thousands. So some examples, some questions we take here. Let's see how to find the rounding of the given numbers to their 1000 place. Okay, so here first numbers of question number 3. This is question number 3 is 5379. So first you write here the given number is, and the given number is the given number is 5379. Okay, so we need to find the rounding of this number at their thousand place. So for thousand place rounding up, we check their hundred place digit. So here you can see the hundred place digit is 3. Hundred place digit is 100 place digit is 3, and 3 is less than 5. It means that you replace 100 place digit, tens place digit, and ones place digit by 0. Okay. If the 3 place digit is 0, 100 plus 0, tens plus 0, and 1 plus 0, then it's become 5000. Okay. So here you can write the rounding of rounded of number to the nearest thousand. This is equal to 5000. Okay. If you rounding up 5379 to their thousand place, then you obtain 5000. Okay. Now we are going to discuss second part of these questions. So for second part, first write here the given number is 28,809. Okay. So you need to find the estimation or rounding up 28,809 at their thousand place. For thousand place, we check their 100 place. So here you can see the 100 place digit is 8. 8 is greater than 0. Sorry, 8 is greater than 5. Okay. So in this condition, the ones place digit, tens place digit, and 100 place digit replaced by 0, and thousand place digit increases by 1. Okay. So this place is equal to 0, and this is 8. 8 plus 1, this is equal to 9. It means that you can say the rounding of the 28,809, it becomes 29,000. Okay. So here we can write the estimation of the given number. We are rounding up the estimation of the given number to its nearest thousand. Their thousand is equal to what? 29,000. In this case, for rounding of a thousand place, we check 100 place digit. If the 100 place digit is less than 5, then we replace the 100 place digit, tens place, and ones place digit by 0, and keep all other digit of the number as they are. Okay. If the 100 place digit is 5 or greater than 5, then we replace the 100 place digit, tens place, and ones place digit by 0, and the thousand place digit increases by 1. Okay. So in this case, we can say here this is a 3,60,516. Okay. We need to find the estimation of this number to their thousand place digit. Okay. So you can say here, so for 100 place digit we check, for 1000 place digit, rounding up for 1000 place digit, we check 100 place digit. 100 place digit here you can say 5. It means that 100 place digit, 10 place digit, and 1 place digit replaced by 0, and 1000 place digit increases by 1. So here 1000 place digit is 0. So if you add 0 plus 1, it's become 0. It means that we obtain the rounding of these numbers at their 1000 place. This is equal to 3,61,000. Whatever, 3,61,000, and one tens place, 100 place digit, one's tens place digit, and one's place digit is becomes 0 are replaced by 0 when the 100 place digit is greater than 5 or is equal to 5. Then we replace by 0 100 place, tens place, and one's place digit, and 1000 place digit is increases by 1. Student, I hope all of you understood how to rounding off the numbers to their tens place, 100 place, and 1000 place. Okay, so thank you for watching. Jai Hind.